Welcome to a new course from myscadaworld.com. It's an introduction to OPC UA for the SIMATIC family S7, 1200 and 1500. Welcome to Beginner's Guide for TIA Portal OPC UA in S7, 1200 and 1500 course. During this course you will learn OPC UA in S7-1500 PLC by doing step-by-step instruction to create a full working OPC UA connection to the OPC UA client. In the theoretical part you get the basic knowledge about the OPC. After this course you will understand what is OPC, why we need this protocol, where we can use this. You will know the advantages of OPC UA, why it's better than OPC DA. After the practical lessons, you will know how to set up S7 1200 and 1500 PLC to work as OPC server, how to set up OPC client. Use this course step by step to make your progress possible. The best way to learn OPC UA is doing the same as you see on screen. Enroll now, join us and follow the lessons. See you!